from Halloween.
Oh, sorry.
Life of a YouTuber. Anywho. Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna stop doing that because that's ridiculous. Anywho, y'all, it is Halloween, October the 31st. Okay, so I've only had this hairstyle up for a week. It's Saturday, a week and 2 days. Okay, because I got my hair retwisted for the very first time on October 22nd, and now it's the 31st. I felt like last time I left my hair up too long because I was scared on what it was going to look like, and I didn't get to fully enjoy it before I had to get it retwisted again. So I already missed my hair, and I was like, why not go and take it down and, you know, enjoy my hair a little longer this time? Let's see how that goes, right? Because it's all about trial and error. So I just wanted to let y'all see what it looks like after it being in for a week and 2 days. It really doesn't look bad at all, but I want to take it down, so I'm gonna take it out. I mean, I'll be getting it done in 3 weeks anyway, so it'll be all right. I enjoyed all of the styles that I wore or tried out anyway the last time I took my hair down, and it was starting to come down in the back anyway, y'all. So thank you guys so much for all of your support on my last few videos. I appreciate y'all so much. Y'all just don't know. Please let me know down below in the comment section what days you guys think I should upload on. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or maybe even Sunday. I don't think Monday or Tuesday have been days that I've ever uploaded on. So, and I don't want to overcommit myself by doing more than once. So I'm just going to do one day at a time right now. So y'all let me know down below which day y'all prefer. Let's see what this looks like. It actually works out perfect because I go on a trip November 19th, so I'll be able to get my hair retwisted and get it styled right before then. Look at them. They're so cute and delicious looking. I just love it. I really do love my locks, y'all. Like, this is probably the best decision I've ever made in my life other than marrying my husband. Like, for real. So I'm so glad that I did it, and I'm so glad that I have this platform to where I can share it with y'all. So congratulations to you guys that are starting your journey. I'm excited for y'all. If you are already on a journey, let me know down in the comment section below what month you're in on your vlog journey. Look at them, look at them, look at them. Next time I will not ignore me wanting to take my hair down, because that just means it's time for me to enjoy my hair. You know, you don't have to necessarily stretch out a hairstyle unless you don't feel like, you know, styling your own hair. But I love, you know, seeing what different hairstyles I can do with my hair and what they look like and all of that. And I also just love letting my locks be free, you know, because that's what locks are for, to be natural and free. So this is what they look like, y'all, after I take them down. This is the back. And we shake it out, shake it out. Hope y'all can see it. Let me see. Yes, 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 y'all. Let me see. I love them. Oh, I just love them. Y'all. I love them so much. They never really come out curly when I take them down, but well, maybe we can try a hairstyle and I can figure out what'll make them like curly or whatever. But I just like letting them be free, honestly. Letting them be loose and letting them do what they do, honey, because they locks and that's what they do. So yes, y'all. This is what it looks like. If I end up styling it, I'll come back and let y'all see. But we just at the house chilling, eating candy, watching Halloween movies. So I hope you guys are having an awesome Halloween, or had an awesome Halloween. Life of a YouTuber. Anywho. Hey y'all, I wanted to come back on here and show y'all one of the hairstyles that I have been rocking here lately after I took my hair down. So I just have the front up in a little ponytail, and I have two pieces out. Wow, look how long the hair is, y'all. Y'all see that? Okay, and then I just have the back out. I still got like some, y'all see the little curly ends. I like my little curly ends though. So this is the back. So yes, y'all, bonus clip. This is one of my go-to hairstyles for starter locks when I take down my styles. So I will make a like a starter lock style video here soon, but I just wanted to show y'all real quick one of the quick little ones that I do. I really love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.